Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my May Ipsy versus Boxycharm. You know, it's so funny because I never know if I'm holding this correctly, like for you guys to see. I never know if it's like this or like this. I'm always like, anyway. So I got my boxes pretty early this month. I usually get them kind of late. So I've had them for a couple of days. I haven't done this video, so I had to finally do it because we're pretty much in the middle of the month. Today's May 15th. Hopefully I'll be able to upload this video maybe tonight or latest tomorrow. So this month, which one should we go into first? All right, let's do Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If it hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. My mom says to pick this one. All right, so we're gonna do Ipsy first this month. Right, so we get our little pamphlet as usual. And apparently the theme is Ipsy Daydream. Your dreams are your realities in waiting. And then of course we have, as usual, all the products that are in here in the little pamphlet. So the first product is Face Hero, and this says it is a powerful and protective face oil. Let's see what the little pamphlet says about this. So it says that this is a $34 value. It says this multitasking good for you cocktail of natural ingredients comes to rescue by hydrating parched skin, brightening dull complexions, and soothing inflammation. It also helps combat fine lines, dark spots, and early signs of aging. All right, so let's open it up and kind of see just what it looks like. This is a very cute bottle. So hopefully I will like this. All right. Next thing in here is from Il Makiage. And this is a high volume and intense curl mascara. And this is valued at $25. I have a bunch of mascaras that I need to try out, guys. Maybe I should do like a mascara video, because this is what the packaging looks like. It's silver, nice and chic. The wand looks like this. I kind of like that wand. It's kind of like, it goes thinner here, then it gets a little bit thicker. Like, what shape is that? But I like it. Can't wait to try it out and see if the claims are true. I would have tried it out today, but I don't know why, guys. Lately, I've had makeup on every time I'm gonna film my battle of the boxes. Next thing in here is from Yensa, and this is the Color and Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. And this is valued at, let's see, $35. So this is, you guys know what a primer is. So I don't really need to. Packaging is real cute, like rose gold and blush, my two favorite colors. I could have literally done a whole makeup look, I think, with this box and probably with Boxycharm. I don't know why I didn't plan for that. And then I got two lip crayon pencils, or two coloring pencils from Ilamasqua or Ilamasca. And this is retailed at $21 each. I don't really use lip pencils, guys. I've never really been into that. So I'll probably either put these in a giveaway or give them away to someone. But I want to show you them. So this one, even though I could use these for the eyes, what color is this? Media, I guess, is the name of the color, and it looks like that. And the other one is Lust, and this is like a darker reddish burgundy color. Looks like that. Very nice. And then the last thing in here is a palette from Wander Beauty, and this retails for $25. This is gorgeous. The colors that I see here are like, wow. It's called Seascape. Oh my God, so beautiful. So this is it right here. And it has a nice little mirror. Looks perfect for traveling. And these are the beautiful colors that it brings. So pretty. So the color names, I'm going to turn it around so I could kind of like. So the color names are Champagne Harbor, Sea Salt, Golden Reef, Sand Dollar, Seafoam, and Coastal. Gorgeous colors for a nice vacation. See, we have this eyeshadow palette. We have 2 lip pencils. We have a mascara, a primer, and a face oil. Pretty good job, Ipsy. Pretty good job. Let's go see what Boxy has for us this month. So, Boxycharm's theme is Make Waves. And I got variation number 5. Loving this. And I think I'm going to be super happy with the one I got because I wanted to get the things that I have in here. So I'm happy about it. First thing in here is from Glam Glow. And guys, I have never really liked Glam Glow because their products like sting a little bit. So I've never really been into this, but I was dying to try this. This is the Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I cannot wait to try this and get back to you guys. Look how pretty the packaging is. This retails for $28. This is a huge full size. This is 5 ounces. Look at that. And it's gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this, guys. I was so excited when I saw it because I wanted to get this. You could have either gotten this or like something from Milk Makeup, which I preferred to get this. I wanted to try this so bad. The next thing in here, I wanted to get a Dose of Colors lippy, but I got this one and I'm fine with it. This is from Stephen Laurent and this is a lip gloss and it values at $22. And I guess the color is Posh. Let's see if I like this color. Oh, this looks pretty. Okay, I'll swatch this. This is Stephen Laurent. It looks like a nice kind of like pinky brownish nude. Doesn't look too much on the brown side, but it doesn't look too much on the pink side. It looks like it could be a little bit terracotta, kind of. It's real pretty. That's nice. Exciting. Next thing in here, I'm also excited because I got the shade that I wanted. This is an Eye Luster Cream eyeshadow from Ciate, and this is valued at $22 and I got it in Cupid, which is the one I wanted. There was either Ice or Cupid and I really wanted to get Cupid. Look how pretty this is. That is absolutely gorgeous. Let's swatch it. Wow, that is so pretty. It's like a pink with like hints of gold. I don't think the camera's picking it up how it is, but I don't know if you guys can see that. It's right here. It looks to me like it looks more purple on camera, but in person, it's like super pinky, kind of purpley a little bit with like gold. Oh my God, in it. It's so pretty. I love it. I'm excited. The next thing in here is from Vintage, and this is a lip pencil. And this is in the color Mocha. I'm not going to swatch it. I'm just going to show you because you guys know I'm not really into lip pencils. That's it right there. And that is valued at $21. And then the last thing in here, which I'm super excited about, is from Alamar Cosmetics, and it's the Colorete Blush Trio. I am so excited to get this. I was so happy because I was like, I want that so bad. The colors are called Seclusion, Isla, and Toasted. And the one they sent me is medium tan. So I'm hoping they sent me the right one. I didn't know that they had like different what do you call it? Like, I didn't know that they had like different, like light, medium, or whatever. I hope. Oh yeah, this looks perfect. So it has a gorgeous mirror. Look how beautiful. It has the 3 shades right here, and look how gorgeous they are. Oh my God. I gotta definitely swatch this. I'm so excited. All right, so we have Seclusion, Isla, and Toasted. And let's do a little... These are it right there. Seclusion, Isla, Toasted. Oh my God, they're beautiful. I think I should try them on, even though I have a little bit, but I don't care. I kind of want to try them on. Yo lo que tengo aquí es un reguero, okay? So, don't mind me. So, which one should I do? I want to kind of do Isla. Vamos a hacer Isla. We're going to do Isla right in the middle. Oh my God, that is so pigmented. Can you guys see? Where should I put? Oh, there it is. Que lindo. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look beautiful? I hope the camera's picking it up as it should. But I love it. Ay, qué lindo. I love it. Oh my gosh, guys. That is so pretty. Girl, I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I got this. So, all right, guys, recap. Boxycharm, we have the Alamar Colorete Trio. We have the Stephen Laurent or Laurent lip gloss. We have the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow in Cupid. We have the Vintage Lip Pencil in Mocha. And we have the Glam Glow Cleanser. This is so hard. But I know who I'm going to give it to this month. And it's definitely going to be Boxycharm. And let me tell you why I'm doing this. I'm very excited pretty much about almost every single product in my Boxycharm. I'm excited to try this out. I'm definitely excited about the Colorete Trio. I'm excited about the Luster Eyeshadow. And that's what I'm mostly excited about. With Ipsy, what happened here was the only thing that I'm pretty much like super excited about is the palette, the eyeshadow palette. This palette is definitely gorgeous, like absolutely gorgeous. This palette, I would be like ecstatic about the box if it just brought this palette. But Boxy made me get super happy with all these products. Like this huge cleanser, the Alamar palette, which I was dying to get, the Colorete Trio. So it's Boxycharm for the month of May, guys. So pretty much now, I think we're at a tie, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's 2 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and 2 for Boxycharm. So we have a tie, guys. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I've been loving doing this. I've been loving doing this every single month. Let me know in the comments down below which box you guys would have given the battle to. And let me know which product of these you like the most, or which one you want me to do a review on, or I don't know, whichever product you're excited about. All right, my loves, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. I love you guys so much. Bye, my loves.